Have you ever wondered which animals can glow in the dark? One of the most famous glowing creatures is the firefly. These tiny insects use light to attract mates and communicate. Deep in the ocean, jellyfish also glow beautifully in the dark. Some species of jellyfish can produce light through bioluminescence. The anglerfish uses a glowing lure to attract its prey. Certain fungi, like the bioluminescent mushrooms, emit a soft green glow. Some species of plankton can also create stunning glowing displays. These glowing animals help scientists understand more about light and life. The world of glowing animals is truly fascinating and magical.